Hi there, it's Sam from Pootles.co.uk. Thank you very much for joining me today. Look at this rainbow. These are my thank you cards that I made, with Oliver's help of course, to send out to everybody who came shopping with me in March. And I decided to make a rainbow because I didn't have enough DSP to make all of the cards that I needed. And at the time I was making them, and actually at the time I'm filming this, we didn't know which colours were retiring. We now do, so please do go and check out the retiring list, all of the discounts and bargains that are there. But at that point in time, I didn't know what was retiring. I did know we were having a colour refresh. So I thought, what a brilliant opportunity to use up some of my designer series paper, which you can see here, which are core colours. And then we couldn't decide which colour to go. So we went with lots of colours, but aren't they fabulous? So Oliver did help me once again. He did all of the stamping for me, and I have to say I'm pretty impressed, particularly with the punch out here. He punched first, then stamped afterwards. So the punch I used is the postage label, so it's got this, oh look, you can see my camera, it's got this nice sort of well, it's a postage stamp edge to it. And then we used two stamp sets. Biggest Wish for the hello here that's on here. So he stamped in Smoky Slate, which we had to re-ink, so it went a little bit dark. I think I've got a paler one around somewhere. No, perhaps I haven't. And then Basic Grey over the top. So the bigger one is the Smoky Slate, and then the darker one is Basic Grey. Couldn't think then. And then he stamped all of the flowers for me. Actually, I did these edge ones and he did these, and that was using framed florets. So the sideways one is that one there, and then it's this flower but turned round. And then I'm trying to find one which I think you might be able to see it on, maybe this pumpkin pie one. There's Wink of Stella on here, because a few of them the colour was lost, particularly the darker colours. Like this one here, the colour got a little bit lost. You can't really see that there's a stamped image there. But yeah, we Wink of Stella'd everything, and I had a lot of fun with it. So these are just one of each colour. So we've got a few of each colour to make sure that everybody's got one, and they're just fun. So it's a mixture, none of the in colours. So we've got some subtles, so you can see these subtles over here and here. And then we've got brights, which is that one's a bright, that one is, those two, those three are, and then some regals. So you can see where the regals are, these ones here, those there, that one. And that's how we got this sort of rainbow of colours. And I just really like them. And so, yeah, they've gone out to everybody. Hopefully everybody's got theirs now, along with their gifts. I sent out embossing folders this month, a couple of embossing folders for everybody. And yeah, it's always fun to send them out. But I have got something extra special going on for everybody who shops with me. But you're going to have to check out my blog for that, because there's a £100 gift going out to one lucky person. Everybody's going to get a gift, and one person will get a £100 gift. And I don't know what that is, or rather a £100 voucher. And I don't know who that person will be, because Oliver stuffs the envelopes and then I stick the labels on once they're sealed and closed, and he shuffles them. So, but anyway, but yeah, everybody gets to have a gift. But these are the cards that I sent out for everybody who shopped with me in March. So I thought you'd like to see them. How I'm going to photograph them, I've no idea, because they're not fitting on the desk. So I might have to go that way. But anyway, I hope you like them. I like them a lot. Take care, everybody. Bye.